What if I told you there are 2 AI tools that when combined the right way can replace a $5,000 a month marketing team, and both of them are completely free? People are using this exact combination right now to build content, run their businesses, and make real money online. The reason most people are missing out isn't because it's complicated. It's because nobody has actually shown them how to put these 2 tools together. There's also one specific mistake almost everyone makes with this setup that completely kills their results. I'll show you how to avoid it. Now, if we haven't met, my name is Jonathan Montoya. A few years ago, I quit my $80,000 a year corporate job to figure out how to make money online. Today, I run multiple AI businesses, and I've helped over 60,000 people do the same thing. And before we dive in, I want to give you something for free. If you want to fast track your way into making money with AI, I'm giving you access to my AI Freedom Launchpad. It teaches you how to use AI from scratch and how to actually monetize it. Plus, you can resell the entire program and keep 100% of the profits. Just comment Launchpad below and I'll send you the detail. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the first tool, NotebookLM. This is a free tool from Google, and it's completely different from any other AI you've used. Here's why. Most AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude will answer almost anything you ask, but sometimes they make stuff up. That's called hallucinating. You ask a question, the AI confidently gives you an answer, and half of it is wrong. That's a problem when you're trying to build a real business. NotebookLM solves this completely. Because NotebookLM only works from sources that you give it, you upload documents, you paste in YouTube videos, you drop in articles, PDFs, and websites. And NotebookLM only answers questions based on those sources. That's it. Every single answer comes with a citation that shows exactly where the information came from. You can click on any answer and see the exact sentence in the source. No made up facts, no hallucinations, just clean, verified information. Think of NotebookLM like your research assistant. You give it the materials. It reads everything and it gives you back insights based on real verified information. NotebookLM doesn't just answer questions. It can also turn your sources into audio overviews that sound like a podcast. It creates briefing documents, study guides, even slide decks. In other words, it takes a pile of raw information and turns it into useful structured content. This is the research brain. Now let's talk about the execution engine. The second tool is Claude. Claude is an AI assistant built by a company called Anthropic. If you've used ChatGPT, you understand the basics, but Claude is in a completely different league when it comes to 2 things. Number 1, writing quality. Claude writes better than almost any AI on the market right now. The output sounds human. It doesn't have that obvious AI wrote this feeling. You can hand someone something Claude wrote and they won't know it wasn't written by a real person. Number 2, Claude can hold massive amounts of information in a single conversation. You can paste in 50 pages of research, client notes, strategy documents, your entire business plan, and Claude will remember all of it while it works. Most other AIs forget things halfway through. Claude doesn't. This makes Claude the perfect execution engine. You give Claude a strategy and it'll write you the content. You give Claude a goal and it'll write you the plan to get there. You give Claude a problem and it'll work through it step by step until it finds the solution. But here's the most important part. Claude has a free version that gets you everything you need to start. You don't have to pay anything to use this combo. So now you have NotebookLM, your research brain, and you have Claude, your execution engine. By themselves, each one is powerful, but when you combine them, that's when the magic happens. Most people are using these tools wrong. Let me show you the mistake almost everyone makes before I show you the right way to use them. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They ask vague general questions. They dump a bunch of documents into NotebookLM and they ask things like, summarize this for me, or what is this about? That's like having access to the smartest researcher in the world and asking them to read you a Wikipedia page. You're using maybe 5% of what this tool can do. The real power comes from asking specific targeted questions. Let me give you examples. Bad question, summarize these articles. Good question. Across all these sources, what are the top 5 problems that small business owners, keep mentioning bad question. What is this video about? Good question. What angles or topics do my competitors keep avoiding that the audience is asking for? Bad question. Give me an overview. Good question. What are 3 opportunities in this market that no one is currently solving? See the difference. Specific questions get specific answers, and specific answers are what you actually need to build content, make decisions, and run a real business. This is true for any AI you use, but it's especially true for NotebookLM because it's pulling from real sources. The more specific your question, the more powerful the insight. Now that you know how to ask the right questions, let me show you how to combine these 2 tools. Here's the workflow. Step 1, you decide what you want to create. Maybe it's a piece of content, maybe it's a marketing strategy, maybe it's a product launch plan. Whatever it is, you start with the goal. Step 2, you go to NotebookLM and load it up with sources. If you're creating content, load up YouTube videos in your niche, top blog posts, and articles people are talking about. If you're researching a market, load up your competitors' websites, their landing pages, and any case studies you can find. You want NotebookLM to have a complete picture of what's already happening. Step 3, you ask specific targeted questions to extract the insights you need. What patterns are showing up? What are people saying? What's missing in the market? NotebookLM gives you back a clean list of insights, all backed by real sources. Step 4, you take those insights and bring them into Claude. You tell Claude exactly what you want it to do based on those insights. For example, you might say, here are the top 5 pain points in the chiropractic industry. Write me a 30-day content calendar that addresses each one, or based on these competitors, write me a positioning statement that makes my offer stand out. Claude takes the research and turns it into actual deliverables. This is the loop. Research in NotebookLM, execution in Claude. You go from raw information to finished work in a fraction of the time, and the quality is better than what most agencies are charging $5,000 a month for. Now let me show you 2 specific ways to use this combo to make money. The first way to use this combo is to create content at scale. This works whether you're building your own brand or creating content for clients. Here's the exact process. Pick a topic in your niche. Let's say you want to create content about AI tools for online business. You go to NotebookLM and you load up 20 different sources. YouTube videos from top creators in that space. Articles from popular blogs, Reddit threads where people are asking questions, forum discussions. Then you ask NotebookLM specific questions. What are the most common questions people are asking about AI tools? What complaints keep coming up across these sources? What angles are creators not covering yet? NotebookLM gives you back a clean list of insights. These aren't random ideas. These are insights based on real conversations that real people are having right now. Now you take those insights into Claude. You say, based on these 10 pain points, write me 10 short form video scripts that hook the viewer in the first 3 seconds and provide actionable value. Claude writes them. In 1 afternoon, you have a month of content that's based on what people are actually searching for, not random ideas you came up with. In the shower, real, validated topics. This is how creators are growing faster than ever right now. They're not guessing, they're using AI to find out what their audience wants and creating exactly that. If you're building your own brand, this saves you 20 hours a week. If you're doing this for clients, you can charge $2,000 a month to handle their entire content strategy. That's 1 client. Imagine 5. Now you have a $10,000 a month content business running on 2 free AI tools. The second way to use this combo is even more powerful. You build an AI service business. Here's what I mean. Right now, millions of business owners know they need to be using AI, but they have no idea how. They're overwhelmed. They don't have time to figure it out themselves. They're looking for someone who can do it for them. That someone could be you. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to offer a market research service. A business owner pays you $500 to research their market and tell them where the opportunities are. You sit down with NotebookLM, you load up their top 3 competitors, their websites, their YouTube content, their social media presence, customer reviews from each one. Then you ask NotebookLM specific questions. What is each competitor doing well? What are they doing poorly? What complaints are showing up in customer reviews? What gaps exist in this market that no one is filling? NotebookLM gives you back a complete picture of the market. Then you take all of that and bring it into Claude. You tell Claude, based on this research, write me a 10-page market analysis report with specific recommendations on how to position against these competitors. Claude writes the report. You add a cover page, clean it up, deliver it to your client. Total time, about 3 hours. Total cost to you, $0. Both tools are free to use. You just made $500 in 3 hours using 2 free AI tools. This is what's happening right now in real life. People are starting service businesses with no employees, no overhead, and no startup cost. The only thing they have is the knowledge of how to use these tools. That's it. That's the whole business. This is why I keep telling people that AI is the biggest opportunity right now. Not because the tools are flashy, because they let one person do the work of an entire team. This is the kind of opportunity that comes around once in a generation. The tools are here. They're free. And the people who learn to use them now are going to be the ones making real money in the next few years. The people who wait are going to be the ones playing catch up. I want to make sure you're on the right side of that line. That's why I created the AI Freedom Launchpad. This is the program I wish existed when I first started learning AI. Inside the Launchpad, you'll learn how to use AI from scratch. Even if you've never touched AI before, you'll learn how to use it to create content, build businesses, and most importantly, make real money online. Here's the part I'm most excited about. When you join the Launchpad, you also get 100% resale rights to it. That means you can take this exact program and sell it to other people under your own name. You keep 100% of the profit. So not only do you learn how to use AI, you immediately have a product to sell. Most courses just teach you. The Launchpad teaches you and gives you something to sell. This is how people are starting real online businesses without having to create their own product. If you want this, just comment Launchpad below and I'll send you the details, or click the link in the description. Either way, take action. I'll see you in the next one.